Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to download and install Bluestacks on your computer. Go to your browser and search for download Bluestacks. Then go to the first link and click on download Bluestacks. After that, a file will appear and then open the file. Now you can install it, wait for a while and it will be downloaded soon. So now as the Bluestack has been downloaded, it will take a time and extract the files. So guys, Bluestacks finally has been installed. You can go ahead and open the games and install the games likewise. Similarly, you can also log into your account so that your game data will be saved. This video was about how to download and install Bluestacks. Thank you.